Introducing the future of luxury travel, a 2026 concept RV that blends automotive elegance with futuristic design. With its aerodynamic body, bold LED light strips, panoramic windshield, and sleek metallic finish, this mobile mansion is a masterpiece on wheels. Whether parked by the ocean or cruising through mountain roads, it commands attention with every curve. Solar panels line the rooftop, while hidden compartments and digital side mirrors redefine innovation on the go. It's not just an RV, it's a moving statement of style and technology. Step inside and experience unmatched luxury on the move. The interior feels like a five-star suite wrapped in fine leather, ambient lighting, and handcrafted wood accents. A full digital dashboard sits at the front, while the lounge area features reclining seats, a built-in entertainment hub, and smart climate control. Hidden storage, a compact kitchen, and a luxury restroom make this RV ready for long journeys in total comfort. From sunrise to starlight, this interior transforms every mile into a high-end living experience.